Hello everyone, welcome all of you to the deep dives. So, Assistant Hydrogeologist examination 2023 already completed. So, in this particular video, I'll be discussing how you can assess the unofficial answer key. It is completely unofficial. It is made depend upon the opinion. ठीक है? So, it is not completely given by the UPSC. So, uh, it is just for the purpose of the you can at least have the idea कि how much mark you secured in the examination. So ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, maybe you can get +5 or maybe +10, maybe -5 in real examination. ठीक है, because ये official नहीं है. I have tried my level based. It is completely based upon the opinion. So in the main answer key, some answer you can definitely see there will be some variation. ठीक है, so please go to the YouTube comment. ठीक है, तो वहां पे मैं अटैच कर दूंगा all the answer की. Here I will be discussing some of the like debatable question. ठीक है, डिबेटेबल क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन सही होना चाहिए, कौन सा गलत होना चाहिए. So in this examination, few question are really fat or direct. Okay, some question are really tricky. ठीक है, some question you can eliminate and get the answer. So that is not the expectation from the UPSC कि ऐसे बनाना चाहिए था क्वेश्चन पेपर. ठीक है, so let's see some of the debatable question. I'll attach in the comment section. I will not completely discuss all the question in a detailed manner. So video will be coming soon. The detailed analysis of the particular question will discuss in a broad manner. So but in this particular part I'll just providing you the answer key so that you can have the idea कि इतना मार्क मेरा आ रहा है. ठीक है, you can check your answer or match your question paper with answer key. Okay, before that disclaimer. So it is completely unofficial answer key. It is created based on the personal interpretation and the understanding of the exam question. ठीक है, अगर कोई दिक्कत है और कोई डिबेट करना चाहते हैं, प्लीज constructive criticism, any suggestion or any query, feel free to contact deepdivesone@gmail.com or you can comment. ठीक है, और कोई आपको आ रहा है कि ये होना चाहिए आंसर, you can also get the feedback or you can also say. Then if you say कि it is the answer, then you have to explain all the answer कि why it is you are saying. It is not like हवाबाजी. ठीक है, so let's go to the I have attached all the answer like you can get in the community section like this. So this is the answer key you will get in the YouTube community. ठीक है, so you will get. I will not go into detail because like I have attached some of the question. ये जो C और D देख रहे हो, there will be the answer. So this is debatable question. Why it is C and why it is D? Some of the question are you can get the answer C also, you can get the answer D also. But thing is UPSC only given one answer. ठीक है, so that's why it is debatable question and that is very tricky in nature, we can say. So let's go to the main debatable question that normally student is facing right now. Okay, so जैसे हो गया, let me see where is the question of that. Okay, let me see where is that question. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन सी 80 number question. So this is the debatable question. Okay, let's me try to explain first. Okay, first listen me. So the chemical formula, which among the following minerals can be expressed as a combination of the nepheline and quartz? First of all, from this language or from this framing of this question, we cannot properly interpret what is he is asking about. Okay, first, so the chemical formula, it is based upon the chemical formula or like structure or like the genesis of formation. Okay, let me explain the question. Okay, let me add some of the first. See, there will be the four options, right? One is anorthoclase, one is analkyme, one is antichorite, one is albite. Okay, let me write that also. One is anorthoclase. ठीक है, anorthoclase is feldspar, है ना, feldspar. It is saturated, right? feldspar. फर्स्ट इसका केमिकल कंपोजिशन जानते हैं, ठीक है. Na है स्ट्रक्चर पे, है कि नहीं? K है स्ट्रक्चर पे, एल्यूमिनियम इज ऑल्सो इन द स्ट्रक्चर, Si3O8. It is from the feldspar group. Okay, first. Okay, if you look the composition based on the composition or based on chemical formula. Okay, chemical formula से बात कर रहा हूं. First based on chemical formula, ठीक है. Analkyme, what is the composition of the analkyme? Analkyme पे structure पे NaAl, Si2O6 and water in its structure. It is from the zeolite group, है कि नहीं? That is feldspar. ठीक है. ओके, ल्यूसाइट आपको पता है, ल्यूसाइट KlSi2O6 है कि नहीं? नेफिलिन, यू नो, नेफिलिन है NaAl SiO4 और NaKAlSiO4, है कि नहीं? NaKAlSiO4. It is from the nephilim. Okay, first. And one more thing is analkyme. If you see the analkyme, the NaAl is in structure, okay, and also the hydrous in the structure, water in its structure, okay. But in the anorthoclase, only NaK is in its structure, okay, and analkyme is the secondary mineral. It is secondary mineral, okay. So based on the chemical formula, it is not possible to form the nephilim, because in the nephilim NaK is in the structure based on the chemical composition, okay. But some of the nephilim, it is completely always associated with the sienite and other some type of silica pore mineral, है कि नहीं? सिलिका पोर मिनरल, ठीक है, सिलिका पोर मिनरल. एंड सम ऑफ द वोल्केनिक रॉक पे भी मिलता है एंड प्लूटोनिक रॉक पे भी मिलता है. ओके, इट इज कॉमन जेनेसिस ऑफ द नेफिलिन रॉक. ओके, एंड ल्यूसाइट एंड नेफिलिन are always associated with the some K feldspar rich rock. Okay, ठीक है कि नहीं? So अगर ये K feldspar rich rock पे फॉर्म कर रहा है और always associated with the K feldspar rich rock, then it is possible it is associated with the anorthoclase. Okay, but thing is nephilim is the silica pore, right, or feldspathoid group mineral, and also zeolite also at the same time it is feldspathoid. ठीक है. तो अगर composition के बात करें, composition wise anorthoclase will substitute the nephilim and quartz formation based on the chemical composition, okay. And you know, right, when the nephilim reacts with the quartz, okay, to form the albite, है कि नहीं? So nephilim का composition NaKAlSiO4, albite का composition NaLSi3O8. ओके, सो क्वार्ट्ज 2SiO2, ठीक है. क्योंकि ये अल्टर है कि अल्बाइट ही फॉर्म करेगा नेफिलिन, ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर सेइंग कि anorthoclase will be the right answer, okay. But thing is, if you go to the genesis or understanding of the formation of the nephilim and quartz, you know, when analkyme when alkaline crystallized from the magma, ठीक है, it is secondary, right? It is secondary normally. I already said it is secondary. It forms in the Vox form, है ना, cracks पे मिलता है, veins पे मिलता है. But when an alkaline crystallize, okay, it is associate or nepheline and quartz are commonly found, or maybe associate, you can say associate with the अनल्काइन. ठीक है, अगर जेनेसिस की बात करें, इट इज सेकेंडरी इन नेचर, राइट? यू कैन गेट इन द फॉर्म आज सेकेंडरी मिनरल इन वॉक्स और लाइक क्रैक्स और वेन पे मिलता है. ठीक है, अगर जेनेसिस की बात करें, इट नेफ्लिन एंड क्वार्ट्ज ऑलवेज एसोसिएट विद द अनल्काइन. ठीक है, बट इफ यू कंपेयर विद द केमिकल कंपोजिशन, ठीक है, केमिकल कंपोजिशन की अगर बात करें, सो अनऑर्थोक्लेज इज द राइट, you can say right answer for this type of question. Okay, 80 number. So antigorite, you know, it is not be the right answer because it is the serpentine or secondary mineral. Albite, NaAl Si3O8, है ना, albite. तो अगर केमिकल कंपोजिशन की बात करें, आज इन द अनऑर्थोक्लेज पे क्या मिलता है आपको? Na, in its structure Al, Si3O8. But it is also remember it is feldspar, and nepheline is the feldspathoid, है ना, सिलिका पोर. ठीक है, ये डिफरेंस है. सो अगर कंपोजिशन के बात करें, सो अनऑर्थोक्लेज एंड बी द राइट आंसर. अगर जेनेसिस की बात करें, यू कैन गेट इन द nepheline and quartz always be associated with the analkyne. ठीक है, when it crystallizes from the magma. So analkyne, you can also get the right answer. Analkyne also be a good answer for this question. अगर chemical formula की बात करें, because is giving की only the chemical formula, so maybe the anorthoclase will be the right answer for this question, क्योंकि ये mention किया हुआ है the chemical formula which one of the following. So also anorthoclase will be the right answer probably. बट अनल्काइन भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, जब अनल्काइन, व्हेन अनल्काइन, ओके, reacts with the quartz, it will form the albite also and water will leach. ठीक है, क्योंकि अनल्काइन का कंपोजिशन क्या है? NaAl Si2O6 plus SiO2 quartz, it will form NaAl Si3O8 plus H2O, है ना. And one more reaction you always know कि leucite quartz form होके ऑर्थोक्लेज देगा KlSi3O8. ठीक है, I will discuss completely when I will discuss about nepheline calcilite ternary phase, right? Nepheline calcilite SiO2 ternary phase रहेगा, वहां पे बताऊंगा डिटेल जेनेसिस. ठीक है, but this is a really debatable question depending upon the whether he is asking completely on the chemical formula or like genesis. So analkyne is also be a good answer. So it is still debatable question. And let's go to the another debatable question. I think yeah, so maybe this question is debatable. You can also get the nucleotide and disclinite, because it is found in the early tertiary time. Okay, early tertiary पुदुचेरी पे normally ये type का rock मिलता है, fossils. Okay, foraminifera, right? So it is a rock building also, rock builder also. So maybe nummulites or nummulite or discolites. So it is also still not clear. And one more debatable question is question number 77. If you look at the question 2, option 2, it is not always possible. Not always possible. It is correct, but not always correct. Not always correct. That is the difference. Okay? The light reflected from a water bodies into the field of view the camera is the polarized, but it is absolutely correct. ठीक है, it is not correct. ठीक है. And one more question, I think there is a good question. Yeah, so this is the question. It is still debatable. Question 1 is absolutely correct. Lineation in the brittle region form in the extension fracture, and it is also due to the strain activity due to deformation. Okay, that leads to the study of kinematics. So 1 and 3 is absolutely correct, but from this question 2 it is not understandable properly. So lineation also in the find in the penetrative fabric, it depends upon the different type of deformation mechanism. Okay, deformation mechanism पे depend करता है whether the grain will penetrative or non penetrative. ठीक है, I will discuss this part when I'll be discussing in the detailed video, but in this particular part I will just providing the answer key, and this question, as this is the debatable question, so that's why I will discuss this analcime, why it is analcime and anorthocle as you were saying, right? So that's why. And one more thing is, I think, लेट्स मी सी कि अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो yes, see, this Ifa-Arkan unconformity the represent major tectonic cycle, but is it synchronous world over always? Can it is correlate over the world? ठीक है, because Ifa-Arkan unconformity क्या होता है normally? That separate the Arcanian से Proterozoic, ठीक है, ये separate करता है. But there will be the sum of the time gap or unconformity where there will be the no deposition, ठीक है, or any type of other geological activity during this time gap, ठीक है. While the Hipparchan unconformity can be found in the different parts of the world, am I right or wrong? So it found in other parts of the world also, ठीक है. So it is not possible to correlate worldwide, ठीक है, because there will be the some of the geological activity, ठीक है, some of the geological activity and deposition at different location, है ना, at different time also, different region also, है कि नहीं, during the particular time period when the unconformity was formed, because when there will be the sum of the deposition of the sediment during Hipparchan time or during the Hipparchan unconformity, there will be the sum of the time gap where the sediment get deposited, ठीक है. So it is not possible to correlate or synchronous worldwide, ठीक है. So it is not always true, you cannot say this is true also. So according to me, so 1, 3 and 4 will be the right answer, not 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a good question, I think. Okay, so hope so you really like it. So this is the answer also. I will attach in the comment section and community section. Hope so you really like it, the analysis. And if you have any doubt or any you want to like add something or add some comment or add some valuable concept regarding this, you can also comment, or any like criticism or any type of query suggestion, you can drop me a mail regarding the question, ठीक है. हम डिस्कस करेंगे ये क्यों नहीं है, ये क्यों है, ठीक है. I will discuss about this. So hope so you really like it and really like my analysis. If you really like it, so share with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will attach in the comment section as well as the YouTube community post, ठीक है, ये डाल दूंगा मैं. So this is the answer key. Okay, so don't worry, in the main UPSC answer it is just unofficial answer key for your reference, ठीक है. Different professor has the different opinion about the question. Okay, so you cannot say it is official, but official answer key may vary with the original answer key, sorry, unofficial answer key. So wait for that, you can get also a +5 or -5 mark approximately, ठीक है. अगर अनऑफिशियल पे की पे सपोज मान लो कि 120 आ रहा है, ठीक है, सो मे बी ऑफिशियल पे 125 आ सकता है, मे बी यू कैन गेट लेस देन ऑल्सो 115 ऑल्सो, सो प्लस माइनस उसको एवरेज लेके यू कैन लाइक अप्रोक्सीमेट योर आंसर, ठीक है, इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू योर आंसर, इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेट योर आंसर, ठीक है. So hope so you really like it. That's all for this video. We'll discuss in the coming lecture all the detailed analysis video, okay. So thank you so much.